In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page to another project in Canva. This is a simple and useful Canva trick, especially if you want to reuse a finished page design without rebuilding it from scratch in a different project. If you already have one page designed the way you like, you can quickly move it over and save yourself time. First, open your Canva design. Make sure you're in the project that contains the page you want to copy. Once you're there, locate the page you want to transfer. Next, switch to the grid view or thumbnail bar. You can do this by clicking the grid view icon at the bottom right of your screen. This makes it easier to see all your pages and select the correct one. After that, click on the target page so Canva knows which page you're working with. Then move your attention to the top toolbar, find the More button, click it, and select Copy. This copies the entire page so you can place it into another design. Once the page has been copied, switch to your other Canva project tab. This should be the destination project where you want the page to appear. If you haven't already opened it, it helps to have it ready in a separate browser tab so the process is smooth and quick. Now click inside your destination page layout. This is important because you want Canva to know where the pasted content should go. After clicking into the project, press Ctrl and V on a PC or Command and V on a Mac. That will paste the copied page into the other Canva project. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and make sure the destination project is active before pasting. Also, double check that you copied the full page from the first project, not just an individual element. Using the grid view or thumbnail area usually helps avoid that mistake. And that's it. You've successfully copied a page from one Canva project to another. This is a great way to keep your branding, layouts, or repeated content consistent across multiple designs while working much faster. If you plan to do this often, getting comfortable with Canva's page views and keyboard shortcuts can make your workflow much more efficient.